In this guide, you will learn how to get started on LinkedIn Live, best practices, important guidelines, and how to use LinkedIn Live Stream. What is LinkedIn Live? LinkedIn Live is the new feature from LinkedIn which allows you to live stream on the social networking platform. It helps you to interact with your target audience so you can improve engagement and build stronger connections. According to LinkedIn, live stream videos perform 7x times better and receives 24x more comments than native video created and shared by the same broadcasters. How do I get LinkedIn Live? 1. Apply for LinkedIn Live. To get started with LinkedIn Live, you will need to apply to have the LinkedIn Live Stream feature added to your profile. The LinkedIn application form will ask you to enter the details like from where you want to live stream, personal profile, or a business page, and you need to share the link of the page you would like to stream from. If you would like to live stream from a business page, you will also need to share the profile URLs of the LinkedIn page admins. Up to 3 company page admins will have the access to stream from your business page. After submitting the application, you need to wait to get approved from LinkedIn to go live on LinkedIn. 2. Select a streaming tool. You need to sign up with a LinkedIn streaming partners tool like StreamYard, Switcher Studio, Restream, Socialive, Vimeo, because LinkedIn doesn't offer native streaming currently to go live on LinkedIn. 3. Connect your streaming tool with LinkedIn. After choosing the right streaming tool for you and receiving the approval for LinkedIn Live, it is time to connect your LinkedIn account with the streaming tool. Sync into your streaming tool and navigate to the area where you can add streaming destinations. After you discover the perfect place to add a streaming destination, you must be able to select LinkedIn profile and get connected. 4. Determine a catchy title and description for your live stream. Once the tools are connected, you are all set to go live on LinkedIn. Just tap the button that says Go Live or Start Streaming. Before the platform actually starts live streaming, you will notice an area to enter a title and description for the stream. Make sure to clearly explain what are you trying to talk in the live stream video and what your audience can expect. This will motivate your audience to join the live stream. 5. Time to go live on your streaming tool. The final step is to go live. Before you start streaming, ensure your camera and mic are all set up in good working condition. Please double-check your camera position, lighting, camera quality, audio, and your background. It is essential that your setup looks professional, especially given that LinkedIn is the professional social network. Now we know what LinkedIn Live is and how to get started, but you might be wondering, how to track the LinkedIn live stream, best practices and guidelines, and how can you utilize this tool? Let's dive in below. How to measure LinkedIn Live analytics. As a LinkedIn business page, you can find your Analytics tab along the top of your admin view. Check out the video in the Update section and tap on the hyperlinked views number. As a LinkedIn individual member, you can discover your video analytics below your live video in the top of your LinkedIn feed. What can you measure using LinkedIn Live Analytics and where to find? Using LinkedIn Live Analytics, you can measure the below metrics. LinkedIn Live Engagement Metrics. 1. Likes. 2. Comments. 3. Shares. LinkedIn Live Awareness Metrics. 1. Lifetime watch time. 2. Lifetime views. 3. Lifetime viewers. 4. Live viewers at peak. LinkedIn Live Audience Firmographics. This data consists of top pages, job titles, and locations who have joined the stream. LinkedIn claims, no other social media platform provides this kind of firmographic data. Top 6 LinkedIn Live Best Practices. Check out the LinkedIn live stream best practices below. 1. Be prepared. Have a good grasp on your content. 2. Authenticity. Audience responds to genuine and relatable content. 3. Consistency is the key. Be consistent on going live. It helps you set expectations around your audience when to expect a new content. 4. Be flexible. If something happens during live stream, try to respond to your audience in real time. 5. Engagement. Continuously engage with your audience by responding to their questions and comments. 6. Check your internet connection. Your internet speed will need an upload speed of at least 3 megabits per second, or your video won't stream properly. Important guidelines to live stream on LinkedIn. 1. Do not live stream more than once a day. Once you start live streaming, your followers will get the notification that you are on live, so don't overwhelm your audience with multiple streams in a day. 2. Try to go live within the first 60 days of access. Best method is to go live within the first 60 days of your live stream approval. 3. Do not use pre-recorded content. It is a live stream, so don't use a pre-recorded content. You may lose your audience. Try if you use one. 4. Do not sell on your streams. Live streams are effective to educate your audience. 5. Avoid large sponsorship logos. If you are running sponsorship stream, please try to avoid large logos distracting your screen. 6. Don't keep your audience waiting. Try not to keep your audience waiting. Always try to join 5 minutes early before the stream starts. 7. Stream for longer than 10 minutes. If you live stream, at least try to stream more than 10 minutes. Short streams don't allow your audience to interact and engage with you. 8. Avoid unprofessional streams. LinkedIn live stream is a public stream, so be professional with your content and treat your audience well. 9. Avoid meta streams. As per LinkedIn suggestion, please don't discuss about how to use LinkedIn on LinkedIn. How to use LinkedIn live streams. Live streams can be used for multiple purposes. 1. New product launch. You can introduce your new product and launch your product live in front of your virtual audiences. 2. Online events. LinkedIn virtual events allow you to interact with your audience all over the world in a trusted environment. With recent integration of LinkedIn events and LinkedIn Live, this social networking platform is an excellent place to host your events online. 3. Recruiting. Using LinkedIn Live, you can show off your workplace culture, introduce your new team, new members, and answering questions to your audience. 4. Announce new partnership. You can announce your new partnership by co-hosting a live stream with your partner on LinkedIn. By doing this, you will have your audience joining the stream and your partner's audience as well at the same time. Final thoughts. Marketers should start leveraging LinkedIn live stream option and must include a LinkedIn live stream strategy in their marketing plan.